The one thing that is noticeable is here. For the last couple of years, regulatory board has been very active. The chairman and his members have been visiting our state almost every quarter. Their frequent visits and a participation like this and CII itself organizing the conference year after year, it only gives or encourages the entrepreneurs here or the anxious faces sitting here, what will happen, whether we'll get gas, when do we get the gas, whether we'll get at all gas. So these are some of the issues we face daily. Whereas this sector, the title says Andhra Pradesh hub of natural gas in India. To the extent, as far as the production prospects are, certainly it's a hub. But when it comes to the utilization within the state, utility to the state, there are question marks. Perhaps Mansingh Sahab has to answer all those things. Unless we have infrastructure here, we will not be able to utilize the gas. Whatever state government can do is certainly we are attempted to do it. For the last 2 years, we formed a separate company for the development of infrastructure. But it's only a role of facilitation. We are trying to join whoever gets into the CGD network. In Bhaganagar Gas, we have taken some equity so that it's not to earn profit. Here the idea is to facilitate and see that the project is implemented smoothly, so that whoever gets in expression of interest, they will not have problem with statutory authorities in getting clearances. We have here very anxious political parties, media and entrepreneurs regularly questioning whether we are really getting the advantage of the availability of KG Basin gas in this area. So these are certain things. One is state government has very limited role in all these things. We have no control on allocation, we have no control on pricing, we have no control on the laying of the pipelines, who should get, how it should be. We have been requesting regulatory board to help us to see that pipelines are laid quickly, whoever gets the bidding or contract, implement it fast, so that you bring us to state government level also. We will also know what's happening, where they are laying pipeline. Otherwise, industrial promotion, it's becoming increasingly difficult unless we stick to lines of when the gas will come, when the line will be there, when the trunks will come, when the other things can come. We can only say that now CGD is almost a reality. Hyderabad city, at least I am told in the next couple of months, some parts of city will have the piped gas distribution. Along with piped gas distribution, we will have a transportation gas and also allocation to some of the industrial unit where they can utilize up to 50,000 MMSCD. So these are some of the issues. On your behalf, I would like to pose it. I'm posing it to the chairman, who is really, we can't go beyond him because he is the one authority empowered to the regulate, monitor, sanction, everything is in his hands. I'm sure with his dynamism, the very fact he has been coming to our state very regularly, that means he has a lot of answers for us. He is quite confident he can answer, he can convince the prospects, availability, utilization of the gas in our state for the benefit of the people, benefit of the industry. Thank you.